Are you filming?
Yes. This is Lucas' first meal. He's preparing everything. What are you doing, Lucas?
I'm cooking some chicken and rice.
Ah. Whoops. Wait a little bit. Let it fry first. Olha pra mamãe. Que mais que você fez? Let it fry a bit. Where is your salad? Show us your salad. Wow. Let me see. Let me see. Look, let it. Nice, healthy meal. Woo! Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Fire alarm! Let's shut the door.
Can you put it in the thing so then I can show it at school?
Yes. YouTube. Be gentle. Toma cuidado, Lu. Fala oi pra vovó.
Oi, vovó.
Fala tchau que agora eu vou desligar. Tchau.